How to redeem Domino's gift card. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first open your preferred browser and then go to this link, https and this /dominos.co/gift vouchers. And once you are in this page, simply go to gift card and you have to activate your card by entering your card number, card pin and mobile number. Simply tap on get OTP and you just have to redeem your redeem pin or code, then apply the changes. That's all it takes to redeem your Domino's gift card. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.